I've always had an interest in woodworking. When I first started, I did a lot of mission-style furniture, bar stools, benches, desks, things like that. And now we get into more of the whole house cabinetry as far as kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinets. We even do some countertops and trim work as well.
I first met Craig and Angie. Craig was a teacher, Angie physical therapist. Craig had came to me and was shopping around thinking he wanted to change careers and had a real passion for cabinetry. And he were talking about his opportunities, and a local opportunity came in Ottoville, which is his hometown, and he said, I think I want to buy this business. And he goes, I've looked around, everybody tells me it's a great opportunity, and I said, before we do this, let's really make sure, because I'd love to help you, but I don't want to ever do anything that's harmful, and you've got a good career going. So we looked at his opportunity, we weighed his different options, and when it came down to it, Craig had put a great plan together. He was focused, and again, he had a passion for what he wanted to do. So we started out by giving him the opportunity to buy the business. We set up a little line of credit, and in 4 years, he's really grown it, and the relationship has grown with it.
Al has been a huge asset as far as our business goes. It's not just from the banking standpoint, but for a business standpoint as well, because he's guided us as far as, yeah, I think it's a good decision to do that, or no, it's not a good decision. And not only that, but he also gives us options at the same time, options that are best for Creative Edge Cabinets and its success as well.
Creative Edge continued to grow, and as it did grow, Craig needed an opportunity to expand because he was growing the business. He needed more space, so he came to me and we talked about an opportunity to go with the local economic development, and we partnership together to create a package that offered a little better terms, a little better rates, and help them make the decision to move forward. We also talked about the opportunity with us being in Van Wert and them being over here in Ottoville, that we need to make it easier to bank back and forth. So we were able to set up online banking. We set up a very secure site. We let them do things mobilely. And as well as Angie does the bookkeeping, she's got kids in sports and they've got kids in 4-H, and it allowed them to do things 24 hours at their convenience.
CNB has allowed that flexibility that we need to still run our business, still maintain my own passions, yet get all of the work done, have our family time. So the flexibility and the ease for banking is a good fit for us.
It's not just we're a customer, you know. I feel like I'm important when no matter who I talk to at CNB.